All right, I'm in one of the escape rooms that I built, and again, I'm standing on the deny blocks. And what I do is I have my when they teleport to the next room, I have them teleport on a spot like this, and I get the coordinates for that particular spot, and then I have pressure plates so that way, no matter where they step, they're going to step on a pressure plate. Why did I do that? Because I didn't want to put an NPC in every single room. If I go here to the command block and look, I said set block. And again, I'm resetting that timer, resetting it to the redstone block. Okay. As you can see that right there. So once they step on this, okay, you'll see that there's my timer there, right? And it should start to count down here very shortly. Okay. So now inside of one of the escape rooms here, and I already put a button right here. And what I did was to match up the button, I just kind of went up and I just checked where my redstone is going to be, and I just try to match it up best that I could, and I put my button right here. And what I did was is I'm going to skip a block for each button. Okay, put a button here. I put a button here, and I put a button here. And then what I can do is right up here, I can use a board, which is right here. And then I can put on here, I'm going to put the question right here. Okay. And so now I have my question here, and then I have my 4 answer choices. Now they are not going to know what this answer choice is, so I need to put something here in order to, so that way they know what it is. So if I go here, and I put a slate, and then I can put to answer 1, right? I can put whatever answer I want it to be, okay? And then I put one here and put one here and put one here, so that way they know which one of the buttons goes with which answer, okay? So, but right now if you push these, nothing's going to work because there's no redstone dust, there's no blocks or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and step out, okay? And we're going to go over here. Okay. And now we can see that we need to add, here's where I'm going to put my redstone right here, but I need to add a block here first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move up a little bit, scroll over here, and I'm going to add a command block. Remember, you have to give yourself a command block in order for this to work. So I've already done that. As you can see, I have my command block right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my command block here. And the first command block that what is going to be, remember when we did it, is that we have to set the block to glass. That's so that way the timer doesn't run out, right? So we say set block, okay, and then we have to have the coordinates, and I know the coordinates are for this particular one right here, and I'm going to say glass. Okay. And we does need redstone, it's unconditional, that's fine, okay. And now I'm going to move up a little bit. I'm going to add another block, okay, right here. And then this block is going to be a chain block, okay? And it's going to be active because of the repeating and all of that. All right, and this command, if you remember, what we did was we reset the seconds, right? So we said scoreboard, because we always have to use scoreboard, and because this involves the players, okay? And we're going to set at all the players, okay? Countdown, remember that's my timer. I could spell, countdown, and I'm going to say 40 seconds, okay? I could say whatever seconds I wanted to, but I'm gonna use 40 there, all right? So I go ahead and put that in there, and then I'm gonna add one more command block here. Remember, putting them on top of each other can be a little bit of a challenge. That's why you need those other blocks there. Okay, I'm gonna hit that again, and my last one is gonna be, I'm gonna teleport. So I teleport at all the players, whoever the player is, and then I have the coordinates for either the next escape room or for the jail where I want it to go based on what my answer choices are. So again, once you have this all set up, all you have to do basically is go in and you can just change the questions. You could just change the coordinates on the teleport piece. Everything else is going to remain the same, just so that we have a different answer for the red one for the next time. And that's it. That's how you create an escape room. That's how you create the timer for the escape room. I hope you enjoyed the series. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out and I can help you to get started with this. And I'm going to be doing one later on actually how to use this with the chemistry component for they're having to build something or to craft something, and with that clock ticking down. So enjoy and happy crafting.